Notion Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to Notion and related productivity tools are included in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Notion is a highly versatile all-in-one workspace designed for note-taking, project management, knowledge management, and collaboration. It's targeted at individuals, teams, freelancers, and organizations that want to consolidate documents, tasks, databases, wikis, and calendars into a single customizable platform. One of Notion's biggest strengths is its modular, block-based editor, which lets you create everything from simple notes to complex relational databases, all within the same interface. This flexibility means you can build personalized workflows tailored to your unique needs, whether that's managing a personal to-do list, running a content calendar, or building a comprehensive company knowledge base. Features include rich text editing, embedded media, templates, nested pages, real-time collaboration, commenting, task assignments, and reminders. The database functionality is especially powerful, allowing users to link different data types, filter, sort, and view data in tables, Kanban boards, calendars, or lists. Notion also supports team collaboration through shared workspaces, permissions management, and integration with popular apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier, enhancing its value in professional environments. It shines in knowledge management and documentation use cases, but doubles as a lightweight project management tool. The learning curve can be steep for new users due to its broad capabilities, but the vast community, tutorials, and templates help flatten that curve significantly. Pricing is competitive, with a free tier offering generous functionality for individuals, while paid plans unlock team collaboration features, version history, and advanced admin controls. On the downside, offline access is limited compared to some competitors, and performance can lag with very large databases or complex pages. Overall, Notion is best suited for users who want maximum flexibility and customization in organizing their digital workspace, and who don't mind investing some time upfront to set it up properly. It's ideal for creatives, knowledge workers, startups, and remote teams seeking a single platform to unify notes, docs, and project workflows. If you're after a clean, modern tool that adapts to your way of working rather than forcing a rigid structure, Notion is a solid choice. Check the description below for links to Notion and explore its features to see if it fits your productivity style before committing.